Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to block adult websites on any Android phone. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to block those websites that you don't want to see on your phone or in general your family's phone, well, there are a few settings here that you may want to update. Now, the first thing that you may want to update is going to be the settings on your connectivity. So, you want to open up your settings on your phone and you want to go and scroll down a bit here and look for something similar as more connectivity options or more connectivity settings. Now, this depends entirely on your phone, but look for that specifically. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and look for private DNS. Let's go and just choose that one. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and just make sure that you choose private DNS provider host name. So in this case, go ahead and choose that. And you want to go and choose the custom name here and just type in the following. Now, this is going to be dns.adguard.com. And just click on save. Now, basically what it does, it filters out any websites or search results that may be potentially for adults only. So in this case, this will filter that out. But this is not enough. Sometimes something or something else could actually could slip into your connectivity. So in that case, you need to also update the browser that you're currently using. So you want to open up your browser here. And you want to go and click on the 3-bar icon at the top right and click on settings. Now in here, you want to go and choose privacy and security. And you want to go ahead and look for the option here for use secure DNS. Let's go and choose that one. Now from here, go and choose another provider. Now make sure to choose customize here, and you want to go and choose the option that says clean browsing family filter. Now basically it filters out any search or results that you may be getting in your browser here, and just making sure that everything is actually safe for browsing, especially if your kids is using the same phone. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.